Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today we have another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Powerfix mini tool kit. 35 pieces set inside. Now let's open it. There we are. You can see some photos what you can do with this tool. Nice package. Well, what included inside? One magnetic hex head bit holder. It is one flexible extension for clockwise use only. You can see it's a little bit flexible. One magnified glass with 2.5 magnification. Nice. One stainless steel mini diagonal pillars. There it is. And one stainless steel tweezers. And 30 precision bits, 28mm and S2 stills. There it is. Nice. Most of these precision tools you can disassemble some smartphones, definitely some small electronic devices, and definitely they will do the job. You can cut some cables with that. Nice, and the magnification, it will help you to do that. Well, let's see. Fits well. You can install and that. And that it will help you because it's flexible. Nice. With that, definitely you can take some screws with this tweezer. We have a variety of small bits, definitely they will do the job. That it will help you, you can see it's a round head. They will help you to unscrew and screw. Nice set guys, definitely it cost only €8. What is €8? Definitely it will help you. Everything these are magnetic, they can magnetize the screws. And you can grab the screws easy if they are full somewhere. That's nice. Well guys, that was all about this set. Definitely if you need it, just buy it. Why not? It's only €8. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my video is your choice. And share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.